You just wanna feel good. You just wanna look pretty. Take it easy, baby. You're always groovy to me. We can gather around. We can feel good sound. We can celebrate whatever we want, 'cause I got love when you're near me.
I'm still a fan, even though it's salty. Hate to see you messing around the brand, are you happy? Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. They got me in therapist to tell me there's a limit. I one man, I just want you. And if I can't have you, no one should. I love you like this. Not the best idea. Here's me.
Again, happy birthday, Lyanne. Lolo Lito Buntin for that very inspirational lecture. Let us listen, of course, to our well wishes for tonight. Alright, once more, Miss Lively and energetic, come on!
Happy birthday, Lyanne! Happy birthday, Lyanne!
Yeah, it's okay. Do you a little different? You were born this way. And it shines on and on. We can gather around. We can feel good sound. We can celebrate whatever we want, 'cause I got love when you're near me.
Midnight. On top. Super, like, as in.
Feeling ko enjoyable yung month.
Yes, we're excited. Wow! Ganda ng view, guys.
Size, and most of the time, size might not even open, like the website. So, ayan, ang tip for
sa mga naka-flash po sa ating projector, tayo ay magkakaroon ng paligsahan. Bukas na po ito, 2 p.m. hanggang 5 p.m. sa NBC. Makasali kayo.
Say bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye! Usually walang hapon. Wala akong commute.
Every minute slipping by, even when I close my eyes. Ruthless, I know. You might even wonder why I go MIA sometimes. I can't deny. Try to hold on to the things I can't keep. Then my fingers I was losing control. Took a couple months till you knocked on my door. Sat by the sea while the waves fell asleep. Know what I should
my classes ended at 2:30 p.m. and I just got home at 4:45 p.m. Usually my travel takes like an hour and 10 minutes, but today was exceptionally long and tiring. And guys, I will not recommend this kind of commute, especially if it takes an LRT1 on a weekday at like 4 o'clock or 3 o'clock, because everyone, literally everyone that you know will be there, and you guys will never fit inside a train. I had a PE class at 9 to 11, and then the walking, the commute, and everything adds up to it. And now I'm just so tired. My legs are wobbly, my arms are shaking. Ang OA, pero sobrang pagod na talaga ako, guys. And I still have a 9 a.m. class tomorrow. And it's not just a 9 a.m. class. It's 3 consecutive classes without breaks. But I don't even want to complain about it, because I know that there are people who have classes like 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. with like an hour of break. So I guess I just have to suck it up and take it and survive it, because I have no other choice.
Spend all my days searching for gold. I would be running out of time to see all your beauty and beyond.
Pick a movie, I'll pick you up, we'll go eat sushi. Or we'll go downtown, with our best moves we can boogie. Oh my, we both look so fly, like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us. Na 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 na. We are goofy, playing tag in the jacuzzi. We'll go upstairs, with our best moves we get groovy. My, we both look so fly, like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us.
Friday class is done, guys. So, end na ng week. Pero ang daming gagawin. Say bye.
Bye-bye, guys.
See you next week.
See you next week. Ang daming groupings.
Sobra.